Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward beauty, health, and empowerment. Today we have a beauty video. I'm going to be showing you how I got this wonderful halo braid using Style Factor products, so keep watching. So Style Factor literally sent me a large box of products. They sent me so much stuff. Literally, like, so many of them. So many of them. So thank you, Style Factor, and I love the products. Yeah, let's jump into the video. So I'm just starting out on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and this is how my hair looks. First, I'm going to be using the Style Factor Wig Out Leave-In Conditioner. And I just applied that all over the section. And then I'm just going to start detangling my hair with my wide tooth comb. So I'm going to start from the end to the top. And I'm repeating these same steps on the back part of this section. Now I'm going to be using Style Factor's Wig Out Curl Conditioning Gel. I thought this gel was going to be clear, but as you can see, it was white and it is very runny and slippery. So I did like the feel of this product on my hair. As you can see, my tangle teaser is just sliding right through my hair. I realized I did not part my hair before we started this. But yeah, I'm just gonna start brushing my hair down just so we can get ready for the braid so it can be super smooth. And now I'm going in with the Style Factor Wig Out Fitting Foam. And just applying that like I apply everything else. And then I'm going to also brush that down. And then lastly, I am using the Style Factor Edge Booster. I have used this product before and I do like it. It is really good on the edges. So again, just brush that down. And then we just start the braid. So after, using all of these products, your hair should be smooth enough to get down in a braid. I know that it's kind of hard if you have 4B, 4C hair, but these products should help you out. So now that braid is completed, we're just going to do the same steps on the other side. So yeah, I'm just gonna put my scarf on and come back in about 30 minutes. We're going to be using the edge booster again for our edges, so you just want to put it all over your edges, and then I'm going to take this edge brush that I got from the beauty supply store and just start designing my edges how I want them to look. And I like, you know, the squigglies, but you can do any design that you want for your edges. And I'm just adding some braiding jewelry in my head. And this is the finished look. I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I hope that it was helpful. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at xo_Romani. I'll see you in my next video.